Well, look, what we don't know is the bottom line. And if you're having CBD for breakfast and CBD for lunch and CBD for dinner and you're ingesting it, there are health consequences, and there's a cumulative effect. It's sold as a drug product. We've seen some risks associated with that drug product. So at high concentrations and high doses, there are health concerns. What Rite Aid's talking about doing, based on what I've seen, is selling it as a cosmetic. It's hard to understand how they're going to sell it as a cosmetic without making drug claims around those products. Presumably, if they're selling cosmetics and just making beauty claims, they could potentially be doing that and not violating federal law. But if they're making drug-like claims that it helps treat pain or other things, they're probably going to trip over a federal regulatory line pretty quickly. So I'm not quite sure what they're doing here.
Is CBD oil supposed to make you prettier? I don't know. How? Why?
Well, I think the hype has gotten ahead of the science right now. You know, people are putting it in everything. We're seeing it in pet foods, for example. A lot of what the violative behavior that the FDA was seeing was CBD oil in pet foods, based on a presumption that, you know, if you leave your dog all day alone in the apartment, it could somehow calm the animal. There's no evidence for this.
Are we in a snake oil kind of moment for CBD?
Well, look, there are approved uses for it. So there's an approved drug, Epidiolex, by GW Pharma. So we know that these compounds, when they're delivered in specific formulations in certain concentrations, can have a therapeutic effect. And there might be other neurological diseases that could be treated with CBD oil. But a lot of the uses that we're seeing in these sort of consumer products that are being put forward right now, they don't look very credible. There's certainly no science to support it that would rise to the level of FDA satisfaction.